Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
Let me just start with a little bragging rights. It is an honor and an extreme honor to be here as mayor. Last year, Christmas, Minister, I was in the crowd as minority leader. And my Christmas wish then was to become mayor. And it happened. Don't know what the leader of opposition Christmas wish is. But let me remind you that this is a civic event and not a political one. So I won't run any more joke this one. I also want to say that I'm happy to be here as mayor so I can wish the most honorable Portia Simpson Miller a happy birthday. And also, I'm not one of those
Parliamentary opposition, Mr. Mark Golding. Mr. Golding has a vision of love and unity and respect for all, which is in keeping with this evening's ceremony. Mr. Mark Golding, leader of the opposition.
This chairman, or councillor rather, who presumed to be the chairman and mayor of the municipal corporation, refused to accept same and decide that he is now the chairman for life until the next local government election. I can't see any difference here in the municipal corporation for the JLP councillors to realize that they no longer have majority in the municipal corporation. And as such, the mayor, the deputy mayor must be from the different political parties. The different committees need to be reorganized and different members being appointed to the different committees and different chairpersons being appointed, because it's not business as usual. And we are saying to Councillor Joel and the other JLP councillors that going forward, there can be no peace if there's no...
Of what you know, is there any evidence?
I know of nothing. I've known nothing else that he owns in relation to ADMAT.
Okay.
He currently owns rather.
We checked the title for the Acadia property and found that it was indeed purchased by the same St. Lucian company, ADMAT Incorporated, in 2008, again when Honus was Minister of Education. The price tag, 16 million Jamaican dollars, around 219,000 US back then, and again, no mortgage was listed. Further, we also checked whether ADMAT owned additional properties and found one more. A half-acre lot, also built in Beverly Hills on Wycliffe Close in February 2009, also when Honus was Minister of Education, Price tag around 15 million Jamaican dollars, almost 173,000 US dollars, and again, no mortgage listed.
So you've never heard of this Wycliffe Close property before today?
Let me put it this way. I have never handled, and when I look at the transfer, I see the names of lawyers who I know. And he's entitled to have more than one lawyer. We all have to eat.
So all told, when it comes to properties, there's the Great House Boulevard home that Honus and his wife bought with a mortgage while Honus was a mere member of Parliament. And in the 4 years he was Minister of Education, earning the equivalent of around 60,000 US dollars per year, or 90,000 with allowances, there was the Arcadia apartment, no mortgage listed. The land at Wycliffe Close in Beverly Hills, no mortgage listed. The land for the Shenstone Beverly Hills house he's building, no mortgage listed. And around 525,000 US dollars spent building the house in the 3 years after Honus's Jamaica Labour Party lost the election in 2011. Honus, through a member of his team, said he wouldn't comment on the source of funds for any of his properties before the election, but even after, he didn't. He also said he would make his financial statement public at the end of March 2016, but he didn't.
I'm have to give me money down in a Neil Plaza today. Or else I'm going to call Clark Neil over this. You hear that? I'm have to give me money today.
In 1994, the 6th of April to be exact, July 18, 1994. If you don't know about it, I want you to go look up, go research it. The genocide was happening in Rwanda. And now, see, Andrew Holness come and talk about him no respect no other sovereignty. There's no other sovereignty in Jamaica apart from the government of Jamaica. When all we know say a lie. So see, the Andrew Holness plan a genocide against the Jamaican people, a genocide against the Maroon. We have to watch him carefully. And this new police commissioner will just take on the job. I think that man should not investigate Aris Chang and Andrew Holness. Because remember, say Aris Chang involved in a money laundering and organized crime. And Aris Chang are the Deputy Prime Minister. And Andrew Holness must know that Aris Chang get implicated in the money laundering and organized crime. And Aris Chang are the Deputy Prime Minister. It look, and he's not supposed to be the Deputy Prime Minister, you know, because there's no way in the Constitution support that. So Aris Chang are illegal. A convict at that, you know. A convict man, a man who convict in a crime. Money laundering and organized crime, Aris Chang. He's a convict. And him and Joe himself cock up as Deputy Prime Minister. Some would like to know what kind of secret Aris Chang have for Andrew Holness. That's Andrew Holness knows that Aris Chang is a convict. And I mean say so, not my word. Money laundering and organized crime. And then him come out the other day and I said 200 gonna come in through the wharf. Me have to go start pre Aris Chang. Cause if him get implicated in money laundering and organized crime, and him are the security minister now, and him come out and say 200 gonna come through the wharf every month. And he never can hold on for nobody who send these guns in Jamaica and who can receive it. That means I must him carry them in. Because him get implicated in money laundering and organized crime. So maybe the said type of strategy him bring come to Jamaica organized crime. One if you know you, I say my viewers and subscribers. If Aris Chang get implicated in money laundering and organized crime, and him come out and tell police to shoot to kill, then him turn back around and say 200 gonna come through the wharf every month. One if for the same organized crime business, him a go on within Jamaica. I think the new police commissioner to investigate Andrew Holness and Aris Chang. We want to ask the JCF, who you work for? You work to protect the citizen or you work to protect politicians? Which one of them? The JCF need to come out and tell Jamaican people if them is there to protect the citizen of Jamaica or them is there to protect thieving politicians. Them need to come out and talk. Aris Chang get implicated in a money laundering and organized crime. So I just wonder if for the same thing I'm going with in Jamaica, organized crime. My Jamaican brother and sister, you tell me what you think.